Hello everyone, and welcome to our update on January 29th, 2024. So starting off with our short range forecast, we can see that today we had rain on most of the day in the east, heavy at times, and it turned to snow over the hills. Confirmation from a friend who lives in pretty much in County Wicklow. She said that there was snow in the mountains around her. So yeah, it turned to snow in parts of Wicklow. But where I am in County Wexford, it's just raining. Anyway, this evening that rain is clearing away, and the skies are clearing from the west, and some showers will pepper the far west overnight. But really, general rule is that it will be a dry and clear night everywhere. Cold temperatures with a sharp frost and ice. Tomorrow we will see widespread sunshine tomorrow. Unbroken sunshine, in fact, until the end of the day, when we see some cloud moving in from the west, and this will move eastwards overnight on Tuesday to Wednesday. Now into Wednesday we see a cold front move in towards Scotland and Northern Ireland. That brings a heavy spell of rain, possibly with a squall feature as well, and that gradually moves southwards and eastwards through the evening, and it does die out as it does so. It clears the south of Ireland by about Wednesday at about 7 or 8 p.m. and it stalls over northern France before cloud moves back in from the west on Thursday morning, 1st of February, and a warm front moves in, and that gets us into a very mild end of the week with long fetch southwesterly winds and cloudy skies and patchy rain. Here is the temperature forecast from UKV. So today was a cold day for many areas of Ireland, Northern England and Scotland. The highest temperatures here for Scotland, Northern England are about freezing to plus 4 degrees. For Ireland, Northern Ireland, for about 5 to 7 degrees. And for the UK, temperatures widely got between 10 and 13 Celsius. So it was this big contrast in temperatures that fueled that rain today. Tonight we will see the cooler moving eastwards over many areas of the UK, and we will see frost and ice forming over many areas of Ireland. Into tomorrow, Tuesday, we will see highest temperatures reaching around 7 to 9 degrees, so about average but cooler than recent days apart from today. Tomorrow night, lowest temperatures briefly might give a frost in the east, the far southeast, but overnight temperatures will rise, and into Wednesday, highest temperatures then of around 10 or 11 degrees, but a cold front will move in from northwest in the afternoon, and that will lower temperatures. So Wednesday night might be frosty and icy in parts of the south and southeast, lower temperatures there, but -1 or -2 Celsius. Further west and northwards, you're around 2 to 4 Celsius. Into Thursday, highest temperatures then rising through the day. 3 p.m, you're around 5 in northeast, up to around 10 in the southwest. And into a very mild night on Thursday night, and Friday is very mild, highest temperatures of around 10 to 12 degrees, before Saturday goes cooler. Here is the NAO index observed and forecasted. So we're currently very positive with the NAO. It's staying very positive. I thought that it would drop, but it will drop into early February, hopefully. There's quite a strong agreement here, and it'll be around neutral into early February, from around February 4th onwards, I'd say. So here is the GFS 12Z run. So you can see that that little low today brought all that rainfall, fueled by that big contrast temperatures. Tonight we will see that clearing away. Tomorrow will be a cooler and drier day. Before into Wednesday and Thursday, in come these strong westerly winds, and especially into Thursday and Friday, up come these very mild southwesterly winds. A lot of cloud, patchy rain, but some bright spots as well. Now into the weekend, we stay westerly, patchy rain, drizzle around. GFS tries to go colder briefly around Monday, February 5th. That's bank holiday, but that fails, and the high pressure just sort of sits around the country. Might bring frost and fog though. Beyond that, the high pressure stays to our south, which is very much like what happened last February. It breaks down around February 9th, but only to allow westerlies in. We do get a high pressure building to our east, but it doesn't really bring any cold air in. Instead, it actually brings up southerly winds. And it just stays pretty chilly, not overly cold, and unsettles into mid-February on this GFS 12Z run. So here is not that one yet on the ECMWF. Currently, so the ECM today, that little low today causes heavy rain. Then tomorrow, cooler and dry day. Wednesday is mild, wet and windy. Thursday is mild and dryish. Friday is mild, breezy and cloudy. And Saturday and Sunday are very mild again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, so the ECM is very complex. It builds up block to our north and northwest, far away. Early next week, we pull up these very, very mild winds from the southwest. And into Tuesday next week, we start to see a cold front coming in from the north. By next Wednesday, we're sort of into colder air. Yeah, we are. Well, the boundary's over us. And by next Thursday, we've got a block to our north of Greenland, Iceland. And down come these really quite cold northerly winds. But there's this little low to our southwest that will try and keep it at bay. So upper temperatures by then have the -5 ice them into, like Hull, through Manchester, through North Wales, through Dublin, and through Galway and Mayo. But the 0 Celsius ice them is through Limerick, Wexford, South Wales, Birmingham, Cambridge, and now into the North Sea. So that's on a knife edge, but I wouldn't really have much confidence in that. So here is the UK Met Office run. UK Met going for this sort of scenario. So dry and cooler tomorrow. Wednesday is wet and windy with that little thing going through. Thursday and Friday go drier and milder, but with a lot of clouds. And into the weekend, we see a little bit of a cold front going through on Saturday. A cold front on Saturday with that. And then into Sunday, Sunday just goes mild and dry, and it stays mild and dry into Monday, February 5th, the bank holiday. So not looking good if you want a cold spell. Here is the GEM. GEM looking like this. Okay, here's the GEM. So again, GEM having that low clearing wave today, followed by wet and windy weather on Wednesday. Then after that, we go into this mild and dry spell here into the weekend, so on. Into next week, it just stays mild, very mild even. Actually, that'd be very, very mild. Just constant long fetch southwesterly winds into early February here. It just stays that way. Here's the icon. GEM was a real letdown there. Here is the icon run. The icon looking at this. So icon again, today was cool and wet, tomorrow is cool and dry, Wednesday is wet and windy, Thursday is drier and milder, Friday is mild, breezy and cloudy, very mild even. Saturday and Sunday are mild and just breezy and a bit damp. I should say it's very westerly into the weekend. Well, by Monday, down come possibly cooler winds from the north. Upper temperatures, still mild. But the cold air is very close by Monday and Tuesday next week. Here is the arpege, and we're done. Get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. Here we go. So the arpege again goes for tomorrow, that region of high pressure, brings some drier and cooler weather. Upper temperatures are pretty chilly, hence the cooler air and sunny skies. But then into Wednesday, we see that cold front coming through, bringing some rain, and into Thursday and Friday, we see that moisture-laden, very, very mild wind from southwest, so it goes very mild and dry, but cloudy into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So that's it. That's all for now. Very mild spell coming up for many models. A couple going for possible cold weather next week, but I really wouldn't put any money on that right now, because it's quite a strong signal for high pressure to our south being very strong, and if it's strong, it will keep the winds in from the west and southwest, so very, very mild. So everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.